either your parents did a lot of damage or their parents did a lot of damage, but I'm getting the message that the parents did a lot of damage. It could be because you're showing as a twin flame energy and the King of Wands and the Queen of Wands to come out, which is divine counterparts here. It could actually be showing that you're very much mirroring each other, and you may have had lots of similar experiences, but one in particular that's coming through is something about parenting going wrong, and that is showing up as you remember you've put your life back on track to where you should be, but they lack that kind of inner confidence that comes from really being brought up in a secure background, unless you've then gone to therapy to kind of sort those issues out. My name is Lalath Grace and I am a counselor therapist. Links in my bio for readings and spiritual coaching. I feel like you're both trying to move on from this connection as well, and it's not quite working. And the reason that that isn't working is because you are tied. You are soul contracted to this person. And I actually feel that anyway, it's not done. I do feel like there will be another coming together. How that will end, well, that depends, doesn't it? I see that your person is actually feeling very stuck for coming forward, but I do see them reaching out. I feel that they're progressing in their life financially, and I feel like this is somebody who has their own business, or maybe they have a side hustle, but they're quite independent financially. They have a lot of negative thoughts about themselves, but at the end of the day, they are closing out a cycle. So as you've closed out a cycle in your life and you've progressing, they're doing that also, but they're a little bit behind. They're like a year behind, you know what I mean? They're just a little bit, they're playing catch up. The colour purple is prevalent, and I'm also seeing someone who wears black a lot for them. Hats are also prevalent, and for tattoos, someone definitely has tattoos. So I'm going to sneeze. Someone has tattoos. Oh God. Yes, someone has tattoos. I am seeing a butterfly tattoo, and I'm seeing a face of somebody, of a feminine energy. This could be a god or a goddess. Liam, L-I-A-M, or it could be that just those initials, L-I-A-M. 54, 56 and 59 are the numbers that are coming through as well. So that will be prevalent for some of you. Now this is the interesting bit. Your person is watching you from afar. I know you're going to say, well, they've got blocked on the accounts, they've blocked me off everything. It doesn't matter. They are watching you from fake accounts. They are, and not necessarily maybe asking people about you, but they're doing some kind of searching. So they want to know more about you. They're searching up your past, your history in some way. But I think this is just a way for them to stay connected to you because you're not in communication, and they miss you. They really want you to know this message, that the energy that you give off is like them, a moth to a flame. It is magnetic. It's like an aura around you that is absolutely stunning, and it speaks to their third eye. It speaks to their psyche. You are very, very magnetic. You are very luminous. You are very beautiful, and they pick up on this without even realizing it, and they feel very, very drawn to you. The person watching this actually has some kind of supernatural energy around them, and I feel that they are picking up on that also, because they don't meet people like you. You feel different to this person. Let's do some correspondences. Let's get some numbers. Okay? So let's get some numbers. So we've got the Hierophants. We've got the 9, another 9, and a 4. So 994 or 499949 are prevalent here. The number 5 with the Hierophant also. My little oracle cards that want to just jump out of my hands. Let's see what we've got. Thank you, Spirit. Hope and stalk. Look at that stalk. What did I say? They're stalking you. I just said that, didn't I? They are. I can see them stalking you. And I'm not talking about just checking in once in a while. I'm talking out, they're catching up. You're the first one in the morning, at night, and sometimes they even wake up in the night to check their phone, to check your social media. Not that they really feel like it's going to have changed much, but more so just that they can feel connected to you. They're not doing it to check up on you. They're doing it to feel close to you. There's a lot of love here. A lot of love. Thinking of you right now. Other people. I said that, didn't I? They've got like friends around them. They're a factor in this situation. Right, what's else? Denial. They're in denial of how much you mean to them. Grounded. ground their energy. Could be earth sign there. Money. I don't know who wrote that. Money? Maybe that's something. I've never seen that card before. M-O-N-N-Y. Maybe money. Come on. What else have we got? Running. Watch and listen. This person is watching, they're listening, and I feel like they want to get as much information, because when they make their move towards you, they're going to do it from an informed position.